Hello from PBI AI Agent Team, and in this video we'll test which AI model, Claude Opus 4.1, GPT-5, or Gemini 2.5 Pro, is the best right now for Power BI data analysis. I have a sample dataset with month name, country, segment, and sum of sales as a measure. We'll try to ask a tricky question. This question will require the AI to apply multiple filters to the dataset. So I've prepared the following. What is the sum of sales for the product Passaio in Canada in 2013? Let's start with Claude Opus. I'll also turn on thinking mode so we can see its reasoning process. While it was thinking, I filtered the dataset myself to find the correct answer for comparison. Here's what it did. It tried to find Canada, product, and year 2013 in the dataset. Going through line by line, it looks like it missed some rows. The result it produced was 1.4 million. So Claude Opus 4.1 was not able to find the correct sum of sales. Let's see what GPT-5 does with medium reasoning. It also didn't get the correct result. From the return table, we can see that this row where it says 313,000 is where the mismatch is happening. Let's increase the reasoning to high and try again. With high reasoning, GPT-5 took quite a bit of time. But it eventually got the correct result, which is good. The return table matches Power BI output. It identified the correct 10 rows for September, October, November, and December. And this time it excluded the enterprise segment, which is correct. So right now, GPT-5 with high reasoning is the winner. But let's also try Gemini 2.5 Pro with thinking mode. Gemini 2.5 Pro was much faster. It only took 26 seconds. The result is correct at 1.6 million. Its thought process identified the relevant rows and calculated the sum, then provided a clear breakdown. It's very similar to GPT-5 correct output, but faster, and it also provides some top-performing segments. So the verdict: if you need to answer specific complex questions in Power BI, Gemini 2.5 Pro or GPT-5 with high reasoning are your best options according to this test. Thank you for watching and enjoy using PBI AI Agent.